case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1933, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Yarborough v. Yarborough, which centered on the principle that judgments made in one state must be honored and enforced by other states. This case involved W. A. Yarborough, who in 1929 received a judgment from a Georgia court ordering him to pay $1,750 to a trustee for the benefit of his minor child, Sadie, as part of a divorce case against Sadie's mother. Believing he had fulfilled his obligation to provide for Sadie's education and maintenance, he challenged the South Carolina court's jurisdiction, when Sadie later filed a lawsuit claiming she needed further financial support. The South Carolina court eventually ordered Yarborough to pay $50 per month to Sadie's grandfather, R.D. Blowers, and $300 in counsel fees, prompting Yarborough to appeal. The U.S. Supreme Court held that while the South Carolina court could enforce the judgment under the full faith and credit clause, since Sadie's domicile was Georgia, it had improperly ordered Mr. Yarborough to pay additional support, as the Georgia court's prior order for permanent child support was binding. The full faith and credit clause applied in this case, similar to alimony for a divorced wife.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.